Connor, it won't burn anything up.
Let's hope not.
Oh my god.
It's going towards the house.
Go get
Kurt,
the
you gotta
water
get it, Kurt.
hose.
You want me to get it?
No, let it. It's because of that hole. It's not gonna go like we would like it, but it won't burn anything up because everything's wet.
Oh, let me guess. It's all retarded.
This isn't gonna happen. This.
Yeah, it's all.
Go! Woo! Go, Bernie, go!
Oh no.
No.
Gosh, no. You're
Could
doing
go
that.
burn down
Mom, it's,
someone
or,
else?
Kurt, it's gonna go into someone's
No,
property.
it doesn't matter. I'm telling you, it's been raining so much. It's not gonna burn anything. If it drops right on somebody's property, it's not gonna burn anything.
Even the top of the house.
Yeah.
Oh, it's going.
It's going. It's going. Bernie's kicking butt. Go, Bernie!
One successful